bicycle afternoon, wind inside your hair. You laugh beside the sunlight, like summer in the air. We ride past quiet houses where the flowers lean outside. You ring the little silver bell and I laugh until I hide. The road is not so perfect, but we don't really care. Your shadow moves beside me like it's always meant to be there. No map, no destination, just the sky above us blue. Every turn feels like a secret when I'm riding next to you. On a bicycle afternoon, the world is moving slow. Every little street we pass feels like somewhere love could grow. On a bicycle afternoon, I don't need a perfect view, just the sound of spinning wheels and my heart catching up to you. We stop near a corner garden where the old trees touch the sky. You buy 2 bottles from a small shop and hand the colder one to mine. Your smile is almost shy there in the shade beneath the leaves, and I feel something quiet that I didn't plan to feel. No grand words, no confession, just your shoulder close to mine. But every soft little moment keeps replaying in my mind. On a bicycle afternoon, the world is moving slow. Every little street we pass feels like somewhere love could grow. On a bicycle afternoon, I don't need a perfect view, just the sound of spinning wheels and my heart catching up to you. Maybe love is not arriving, maybe love is just a ride. 2 small shadows on the pavement, moving gently side by side. Maybe love is how you notice when I fall a step behind. Then you slow down without asking, like you already read my mind. On a bicycle afternoon, the sky feels soft and new. Every little breeze that passes brings me closer into you. On a bicycle afternoon, nothing big we need to prove, just the sound of spinning wheels and this feeling starting true. Bicycle afternoon, wind inside your hair. You laugh beside the sunlight, and I'm happy being there. Blue painting on the wall, you standing next to me. In a room so quiet, love feels easy to see. We walk slow through the gallery, shoes soft on the marble floor. You read the names of artists I pretend I knew before. Sunlight through the tall glass falls across your sleeve. I don't know much about colors, but I know how you make me feel. No loud words, no big display, just your smile in a gentle way. Every frame, every shade turns into a memory made by the blue painting. I was falling quietly. You looked at the ocean in the art, I looked at the ocean in your heart. By the blue painting, time was moving softly. Nothing special we had to do. The whole room turned into you. You stop before a portrait and say it looks a little sad. I say maybe it was waiting for a love it never had. You laugh under your breath like a song I wanna keep in a museum full of silence. big display. Just your hand, not far